Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Ryan Gesto. And for today's Tasters Review for episode 72, mga must-try products and bestseller by Lars Buko Batchoy. Lars Buko Batchoy, Mandurriao. Lars Natchoy is the best in city of Iloilo. Freshly served with coconut meat and fresh or boiled egg, plus a twist of real meat cooked in a coconut juice. They're located at 122 Oñate de Leon, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. They're open every day starting 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. They're also available via GrabFood. For full list of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Lars Buko Batchoy. And disclaimer lang po, this may own opinion and may own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. At ito na mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Mag-shoutout ako ng dalawang tao, nagtulong at nag-comment sa akin mga latest episodes dun sa Drinking Nose YouTube channel ko. Yung first i-shoutout ko ay si Sylvans Vlogs. Hello po kay Sir Sylvans Vlog. Last but not the least, si Emmanuel Ramos Bores. Thank you sa pag-support and always giving me tips when it comes to vlog techniques. So thank you so much sa inyo dalawa for supporting and trusting Drinking Nose. So mag-provide ako ng videos and pictures kung ano naganap dun sa aking tastes review sa kanilang new look dun sa store nila. It has a bright red color for its background and also may maganda siyang selfie sa mga customers and also sa mga suki, most especially sa I Love Lars Buko Batchoy. So thank you so much Sir Larry and Ma'am Primrose for inviting me again in your new renovated store. And like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And share this video to one of your friends. Comment down below kung ano mga foods gusto try for Lars Buko Batchoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. Please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag niyo pong i-skip. For our first product, this is Buko Pancit Molo for 115 pesos. This Pancit Molo is not your ordinary Pancit Molo. It has a unique blend and exquisite taste, most especially for its buko meat, juice, and also this product or dish is one of my favorites dun sa Lars Buko Batchoy. And also you could add some chili sauce to have a kick of heat or spiciness buko pancit molo. And for their second product, this is mushroom burger for 130 pesos. This burger has a great taste of its buns, ingredients, and also I love the egg sing with its rich and colorful yolk, buko meats, mushroom, veggies, and a lot more. Ito kahit wala ka ng ketchup or sauce, solve na solve ka na for its quantity and also for its serving. And also yung nagustuhan ko dito, well intact yung flavors, ingredients, and also for its overall presentation. Okay, for rating mga nose, for all of their products, I'll give it a perfect 10. Ito naging precise and consistent pa rin sila when it comes to standard procedure, sa pag-process, and also for its an excellent quality of their products. So mas lalong mo appreciate yung food, yung quality, and also for its uniqueness, and hindi nawawala yung essence for its Iloilo flavor to experience our Ilonggo's most famous and popular Lars Buko Batchoy. Only here in Iloilo City. So once again, thank you so much sa lahat mo bumubuo for Lars Buko Batchoy and most especially kay Sir Larry and kay Ma'am Primrose for inviting me again and for this excellent quality of products. So once again, thank you and congratulations to Lars Buko Batchoy. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!